सलोना हे धनिया हो मन करे निहारत रही।
हाँ हे देवर जी, इधर साझे तो मन हरियर कर देती हो।
Okay, namaste, good morning and welcome to you all. It's me Santosh Kumar Thakur from Nepal Police School, Gaura Rautat, and now you are listening and watching a radio educational program which is sponsored by Nepal Police School, Gaura Rautat, with media partner Radio Madhesh Masla 106.4 MHz. Okay, now I am here the first period or the first sessions of class 2 math. On last Friday we discussed on different questions related maths or related number systems. Okay, today we also discussed, we again discussed on different types of questions related number systems. Okay, in there we have the first questions. Our first question is, suppose there will be given some numbers, okay, like, and the question is like this: write before, after, or between in the blank spaces. Okay, so here our question is write before, after, or between in the blank space. So students, sometimes in the questions you have given some numbers, okay, or fill in the blanks, okay, to fill the number which comes before, between, and afters. Okay, or there will be given all the numbers, okay, which comes after, before, and between. Okay, and there you have to fill, okay, the words that means before, after, and between, okay, where the number is suitable. Okay, so suppose our first question will be like this. In question number A, suppose there is 19, okay, 19 is dot 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 dot, 19 is dot 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 dot, okay, 20. Okay, 19 is dot 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 20. In this condition, what? Okay, just we think about the number. Yes, as we read the numbers. Okay, 19 comes just before 20. Yes, because after 19 we have 20, or we got 20, or we read 20. So that's what 20 is after 19. Yes, so in this condition or in the blanks we should fill what? After or before? Yes, before, because okay, 19 is before 20. So here we should write before. Okay, then after, suppose our second question will be like this. Suppose, okay, suppose there would be the question like this. Okay, suppose 12, okay, is dot 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 dot, 12 is dot 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 dot, okay, 11. 12 is dot 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 11. So just again we think about the given two numbers. Yes, which one comes before or which comes after. Yes, so in 12 and 11, or if we talk about 12 and 11, so 12 comes at first, and then after 11 comes at first, and 12 comes at then after 11. Yes, so here 12 is just comes after 11, so that's why we should write here, okay, after 12 is after 11. Yes, so in this way we can fill the blanks of the different questions with the suitable words. Okay, in this way we have, suppose the third question will be like this. Our third question will be like this. Yes, suppose 44 is dot 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 dot. Yes, 44 is dot 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 43 and 45. So let's say students here, okay, give your concentration here on the questions. Okay, as we know, here we have the given number. First number is 44. Okay, then after is, and we should fill the blanks with before, after, and between. Yes, with the three words. Okay, where 44 is, then 43 and 45. Yes, so let's just start to read the number. Okay, so here 43, then 44, then we got 45. Yes, so here what 44 is coming, okay, between 43 and 45, so that we should fill here with the words between. Yes, so in this way you have given some questions in exam or in your exercise books too. Yes, to fill the blanks with the appropriate numbers or the appropriate words which is suitable for the different types of numbers. So in this sequence, in the exam or the given exercise, you have given different types of questions, so that you have to concentrate on the questions first, then fill them with the appropriate words. Okay, so let's talk about the second questions. Yes, our second question will be like this. Suppose, okay, the second question is here, count, okay, the things and write the numbers. Yes, count the things and write the numbers. So students, for this type of questions, you have given some figures, okay, some objects, okay, some diagrams to count. Okay, suppose there will be given some questions or some figures of some flowers, okay, like this rectangle, triangles, and you have to count them. Okay, you have to first count them, how many figures of the same categories are given there. Yes, suppose if in the first question we have given, suppose, okay, flower. Yes, 1 2 3, okay, 4 5, in this way. Yes, suppose there will be given, okay, a row of 5 flowers. Okay, you have to draw in your copy. There are given 5 row of 5 flowers. Okay, so first to the given figure, okay, to the given row of figures, number of figures, we should count it first. So here 1 2, okay, 3, okay, 4, then 5. Yes, so by this way we have to count it and write the number. So how many flowers are there in one row? Yes, there are 5 flowers. So we write here 5 flowers. Yes, in this way. Yes, in this way again we have, suppose, the other questions like this, or in the other questions we have given, suppose, okay, cars. Okay, cars. Okay, you have to draw 3 cars. Suppose there will be given the picture of cars or the vehicles. Okay, in the given figure, in the given questions, how many vehicles are there? Yes, we have to count it first. Yes, we have to count it first and then write their numbers. Yes, as you learned in your previous classes too about this type of questions. Okay, this is not new things for you. Yes, so just think, okay, or memorize this type of questions. You can do this by yourself. Yes, without taking any, okay, support. So for your memory, okay, I am just teaching about it. So here, count it. 1 2 3. Yeah, how many vehicles are there? 3 vehicles. Yes, so here we should write 3. Yes, 3. So in this way, students, in this way we can count the figures and write their correct numbers. Yes, not only figures, sometimes there will be given some different, okay, other articles too. So on that time, what we should, okay, we should write again by counting their names, numbers. Okay, so let's go with the third questions. Okay, our third question will be like this. Suppose our third question is, Okay, related for the figure to the figure is again. So our third question is like this: count. Okay, count the figures and write the numbers also. Okay, numbers, and then after also write. Okay, also write their names. So students, in these questions, okay, in these questions again we should count the number of figures, how many figures are given there, and then after writing the their name numbers, okay, or the numerals, then after we should again, okay, write the numerals names again. Yes. So here, suppose sometimes we have given here 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3, 4, 5, in this way. Yes. So 6 triangles. So students, you have you need to draw any type of 6 triangles in your copy. Okay. So here I have drawn 6 triangles, and then after we should count it. Yes, we should count it first. So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, so how many triangles are there? 6 triangles in a row. So how many numbers of triangles? There are 6 number of triangles. Yes, and again we should write their names also. So as we know the number names of 6, so S, I, X. So S, I, X. Okay, is the number name, okay, or the name numbers of figures. So it is given here. Okay, that means there are 6 triangles, and the name of the 6. Yes, we should write the 6 in words also. Yes. Then after, suppose there will be given, okay, in question number B, suppose there are given 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, yes, 2 rectangle, okay, 3 rectangle. Okay, then after, yes, how many rectangles are there? Yes, then first we have to count this figures number. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3. Yes, so altogether there are 3 rectangles. Yes, so write the number, and then after write their names also. So there are 3, so we should write THREE 3. So in this way, students, you can write the numbers and their names also of the given figures. Yes. In the same way, you have also given again the other types of questions. Suppose there will be given in question number 4. Yes. Compare. Yes. Compare the figures, number of figures. Yes, number of figures. Yes, so here students, we have given some, okay, figures. Okay, suppose there will be given some figures like this. In question number 1 there will be given. Okay, so first we should think about this. Okay, first here we have given the questions to compare the given figures. Okay, first we have given some different types of figures. Okay, so one side there will be it may be more, or other may be the less than others. Okay, suppose one side there will be given, okay, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle. Yes, and other side there is given blanks, and then after there will be other side will be given 1, 2, 3 circles. Yes, so if we talk about the circle, yes, in the first side or in the left side of your hands there is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, how many circles are there in the first side or your left side? There are 4 circles. In the same way, in the right side of your hands there are given 1, 2, 3. Yes, three circles. So if we talk about this, okay, we should use the comparisons. Okay, so here how which one is more than the others? Yes, we should first talk about it. So here, yes, your left sides is more than your right sides. Yes, so we should, okay, give the greater sign, okay, towards your left side. Yes, in this way, okay, in this way, by how much? Suppose other question, okay, there will be two flowers at first side, that means your left side, and 1, 2, okay, three flowers is given in your right side. Yes, so yeah, if we talk about these figures again, yes, at the left side of our hands there are only 2 flowers in the same way, but in the right side there are given 3 flowers. Yes, so as we know, okay, first there is the number 2 comes, then after the number 3 comes. Yes, so absolutely we have 3 is more than, okay, the 2, so that we give the sign towards, okay, the 3 figures, that means towards our right side. Yes, so here by this much, okay, again we have we have finished our class, and now this is the time for homeworks. So write your homework. Okay, you have the homework, first homework. Okay, write before, okay, after or between in the blank space. Yes, so for this, we have the first questions like this. Okay, 18 is ... 18 is ... 19. Yes, in question number B there is, okay, 45 is yes, 45 is 44. Yes, then after question number C, yes, 33 is ... okay, 32 and 34. Yes, 34. Then after we have the second questions. Our second question will be like this. Yes, our second question is count the things and write the numbers. Count the things and write the numbers. Also write their number names. Yes, so for this we have given in the first question there are given 5 triangle. Yes, draw 5 triangle. Okay, then after B, okay, B we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. Okay, then after in the third questions, okay, we have given compare between the figures. Okay, so in question number first there is given 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 3 rectangle, and there is given blank space. Then after 1, 2 rectangle. Yes, then in question number B there is given 1 circle, 2 circle, then after blank space, then after 1, 2, 3 circles. Yes, so I hope you will do the questions or you are understanding the matters. Okay, by this much. Okay, dear viewers and listeners. Okay, today's class 2 is over here. Okay, now this is the time for, okay, taking break. Okay, so I will be back after this short break. Okay, keep listening. Radio Madras Masala 106.4 megahertz. Thank you.
वाओ, हे पूजा हौ देखू ना कितना अच्छा है।
कथी है माँ, वो लड़का दिया कही सकी
न हे पूजा, हम न देखू कितना बढ़िया रनर कंपनी के मोटरसाइकिल जाइत है। हे रौतहट जिला में एक शोरूम कहाँ है?
अरे ये तो मोटरसाइकिल बा रनर कंपनी के रौतहट जिला के एकमात्र शोरूम सुनील इंटरप्राइजेज मेन रोड गरुड़ा के। जी हाँ, रौतहट जिला में ही पहली बेर सुनील इंटरप्राइजेज मेन रोड गरुड़ा लेके आयल है रनर बाइक के शोरूम।
यहाँ पर रनर कंपनी के नया बाइक सब मिलले, जैसे
रनर कंपनी के रॉयल प्लस, बुलेट, टर्बो, नाइट राइडर, हॉक, चीता 80 सीसी से 250 सीसी तक में उपलब्ध है। नेपाल में पहली बेर 6 वर्ष के वारंटी या 15 गो सर्विसिंग फ्री,
एक्सचेंज के सुविधा आ फाइनेंस के सुविधा, साथ है कौनो भी कंपनी के मोटरसाइकिल के सर्विसिंग फ्री में कर डाले।
हक मोटरसाइकिल के कैश खरीद पर नगद 20,000 तक के छूट के व्यवस्था। आंधी तूफान बालू या पानी सब जाए अपने से थक, यदि अपने के पास रही रनर कंपनी के बाइक हक।
हमारी एंट्री और दिल में बजी घंटियां।
संपर्क रनर कंपनी के बाइक के शोरूम सुनील इंटरप्राइजेज मेन रोड गरुड़ा, हनुमान मंदिर के सटले दक्षिण विजय जी के मकान में।
प्रोपराइटर बिलट जी, मोबाइल 98,451,62,778। संपर्क व्यक्ति सुनील जी, मोबाइल 98,457,38,207। आ संतोष जी, मोबाइल 98,068,62,914।
पापा घर तो बनवावे छी, आ हार्ड के सामान के बिना पते ठेगाना के चल देली, कहीं ठगा होगा जान तब।
अरे ठग ठगा के बात में तू तेको संकोच ना कर, कैसे कि हमने आ गए छी महालक्ष्मी हार्डवेयर गौंडा में। जे हार्डवेयर के दुकान गारंटी के साथ ओरिजिनल टिकाऊ सामान दे वाले, जेकर सामान लेके जाओ घर निर्माण करवा सदियों तक निश्चिंत रहू।
जी महालक्ष्मी हार्डवेयर गरुड़ा, हमने के यहाँ छड़, सीमेंट, कल, पाइप लगायत हार्डवेयर के संबंधित संपूर्ण सामान मिलले। साथ ही फर्नीचर में सूर्य प्लाई, शक्ति प्लाई आ लोकल प्लाई भी मिलले। साथ ही अर्घखाती सीमेंट के डीलर समेत रहल है। संपर्क महालक्ष्मी हार्डवेयर गरुड़ा 4 मोहम्मदपुर जाए वाला रोड में, रेडियो मधेश मसला से पश्चिम आ सड़क से उत्तर। प्रोपराइटर मनोज बैठा, मोबाइल नंबर 98,550 40,181।
बाप रे बाप, पेट के दर्द से मर गेली रे दादा।
कथी भेल
हो भाई कथी देखे चाहिए, क्या जल्दी लेके चल जा रोमा हॉस्पिटल प्राली गौरा में, जहाँ 24 घंटा इमरजेंसी सेवा उपलब्ध बा।
हमनी यहाँ
MBBS TU जनरल फिजिशियन एवं सर्जन 40 वर्ष अनुभवी डॉक्टर अब्दुल
द वॉइस ऑफ मिठाई रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, namaste again and welcome to you. Okay, this is the second set of our today's radio educational program, class 3 here. Now I'm going to teach class 3 maths. Okay, as you know, the students of class 3, okay, we have learned many more things about different types of sizes of angles, or we compare between the angles. Okay, we learned how to construct the line segments by using rulers, okay, or by using scales. Okay, in the same way we draw different types of figures by using different types of line segments, that means vertical, horizontal and the slanting line segments. Yes, today we have the new topic, that is triangle. So students, as you know about triangle, yes, all of you, I think all of you know about triangles. Yes, so, if we talk about triangles, so we can talk, if you have the paper, yes, you have a copy and you have the paper with you, then suppose, okay, this is a paper, yes, that is with you, and when we cut it by one corner to other corners, yes, suppose if we cut it by one corner to other corners, okay, it forms the figure so forms, okay, it may be called a triangle. Yes, suppose if you have a kite, yes, kite, okay, suppose if we cut the kite from one corner to other corner, yes, from one corner to other corners, or suppose if we fold the kites, or if we fold the papers that we have given in our copies, yes, so after folding our papers, or after folding the papers, the figure so formed, okay, it may be called triangle, okay, or it may be the shape of triangle. Yes, so let's know about the triangle first. Yes, so here I am going to define the triangle at first. Yes, so as a definition we can say that, okay, the figure having three sides, okay, three angles, yes, three corners, yes, such type of figures are known as, okay, triangles, okay, and that should be, okay, bounded, that should be closed, okay, so that we define it like this, okay, a closed figure, triangle, a closed figure, is bounded by yes, three line segments, yes, is known as triangle. So students, give your concentration here. Closed, okay, closed, yes, then after we have here bounded, yes, okay, then after here three line segments. So give your concentration here. Yes, if we talk about closed, okay, that means it is not open figure, okay, that is not open, it may be it closed, okay, with bounded by, it means by joining, yes, by joining, yes, then after by what, by three line segments. Yes, if we have given a figure, okay, if we have given a figure which is closed, yes, which is what, closed, okay, how they closed, by joining, yes, by joining each other, yes, by joining each other by what, by three line segments. Yes, so we have here, suppose we have three line segments. Yes, what, we have suppose three line segments. Yes, and if we join them each other, yes, add together. Yes, so suppose if we join one by one like this in a straight way, suppose, yes, if we join this in a straight way, yes, by joining three line, yes,